Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Angela, and today I'm going to be speed cleaning my kitchen and my living room. I hope that you enjoy this video, and I hope that it gives you some motivation to start cleaning your house. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to clear off my table and I'm just going to wipe it down. Today I'm going to leave a little bit of this cleaner on it and let it just sit there for a little while I pick up the rest of the kitchen. It was just a really big sticky mess, and so I had to do that. Now I'm just picking up all the toys and everything off the floor, and now I'm going to start working on the countertops. So I'm just clearing off the countertop and just putting everything in its place. I decided to boil some eggs while I was cleaning, so that's what I'm doing there. I'm putting the eggs in the pot and I'm putting the pot on the stove. You guys are going to see my little ones just walking around while I'm getting everything done. It's so cute to see them. They're so little. My son just started walking not that long ago and he just walks all over the place. They like to help me sometimes and it's nice. I enjoy them. Now I'm going to start wiping down my table. This table gets so dirty and so sticky so fast because of the two little ones, but it's okay, it cleans well. Now I'm just going to put the silverware away in this little drawer where it belongs. And you can see my son, he's trying to hand me this spoon. It's so cute. Oh my goodness. I love watching these playbacks because I just see them and they're doing cute things, and now I just get to keep these memories forever. Now my daughter wants to help me. She's trying to hand me the bows. She wants to put them up herself, but it was kind of hard to do this because I had the stove going with the boiling water and their bows and plates are right on top, and I didn't want her to get burned, and she just doesn't understand, and so I had to explain to her, and well, we finally got it done. Now I'm just unloading the dishwasher. I was trying to hand my son this Tupperware to keep him occupied. I was trying to show him how to put it inside the cabinet, and it kept him occupied for a little bit, but then he just came walking right back. And my daughter, oh my goodness, she decided to climb on top of the countertop. So funny. This is how it is cleaning with two little ones. So I just want to tell you guys, thank y'all for watching my videos. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by, and I hope that you're enjoying this as much as I enjoyed making it for you. Now I'm just going to start loading my dishwasher. My daughter wants to help me. She's going to start helping me here shortly. There she goes. She always wants to help me do everything. It's so cute. We'll see how long this lasts. So if you haven't already, please leave me a comment down below. I love interacting with you guys. It's so much fun, and it makes me happy. It brings me so much joy that you guys are taking time out of y'all's day just to watch me, and I just want to get to know you guys a little bit better. My husband just walked in the door, that's why I have this big old smile on my face. And you're probably going to see me laughing because he makes me laugh all the time. Now I'm just clearing off and wiping down this countertop. I want to make sure that it's clean before I start washing the dishes that I have to wash that I wasn't able to put into the dishwasher. Now I'm just going to start washing the dishes. Now I'm just wiping off the countertop. That's my husband and my daughter in the background. They're fixing my chair for me. Or maybe I should say my daughter's chair, because that green chair belongs to her. She doesn't let anyone sit on it or touch it or get near it. So now I'm just going to put these boiled eggs away. They had cooled down already and it was time for me to just put them up. Now I'm wiping down my stove. I've had this stove for a while. It's pretty old, and so that's why it's not all beautiful on top. I don't really want to get a new one. I mean, it works good. It does its job. It kind of has a mind of its own, like the front stovetop. It goes crazy sometimes. I don't know, sometimes it gets like a little hotter than what it says it is, and it's funny, but it's okay. I know how to work it now. So now I'm just sweeping up the floor. So now I'm just gonna move to the living room. I'm gonna start by vacuuming my couch. I like to do this just to get all the crumbs and whatever else falls on this couch off. Now I'm putting the toys away, and I have this really big smile on my face because I was hiding that Buddy doll again, and it was just funny to me that I'm just hiding him. Now I'm going to start vacuuming the floor. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up, and if you're new here, I would love for you to subscribe.